What's up everybody? So Lexus has just revealed the all-new 2024 GX 550, and man, it looks awesome. I think it may actually be the coolest looking Lexus SUV that they've ever done in my opinion, and it reminds me of the first generation of the LX from the mid-90s. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below though. It's also grown for this new generation. It gets a new platform, new powertrains, and a new interior of course. As far as those dimensional changes go, it's between 3.74 to about 4.5 inches wider depending on the trim, along with adding 2.75 inches of length overall on a 2.36 inch longer wheelbase, but the front overhang is now shorter, they say, for improved off-road performance. Speaking of off-road performance, in addition to the premium and luxury trims, there's also new Overtrail trims that give you 33-inch all-terrain tires on 18-inch wheels, an aluminum skid plate, electronic locking rear diff, two-tone paint combinations, and black over fenders. They also get multi-terrain select system, crawl control, downhill assist control, 3D multi-terrain monitor, and an electronic kinematic dynamic suspension system for improved wheel articulation. All GXs get full-time four-wheel drive with a locking torsion limited slip center diff, and Lexus says switching into 4-high now happens faster. Inside, the Overtrails also get an exclusive seat design for optimal off-road comfort according to Lexus, and are even available with a massaging function. Speaking of that interior though, the dashboard is lower now for better visibility, and it incorporates the standard 14-inch Lexus touchscreen that does wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. It also gets 12.3-inch digital gauges as standard, and a head-up display is optional. It can either seat 6 or 7 depending on whether you get the second row bench or captain's chairs, and they've improved the system for getting into the third row. You can also get it in a 2-row configuration still as well if you'd like. Heated and ventilated seats are standard up front, but the second row is only available with heating, no cooling like other luxury competitors offer unfortunately. All rows of seats have been redesigned for better comfort though, and storage spaces have been improved in the interior as well, but as far as the actual interior dimensions go, they haven't detailed how much extra legroom you get, for example, in any of the 3 rows. One thing they did mention though is that cargo space has improved, and it's noteworthy that unlike the Sequoia and other trucks on this truck platform, there is no iForce Max hybrid version, at least for now, and as you can see, it thankfully doesn't have any of the cargo space compromises the Sequoia has as a result, which is a really good choice in my opinion. I'm happy they went without that because I don't think people really care about fuel economy when you're talking about something like this anyway. Speaking of the platform and the powertrains though, it's on the GAF platform that underpins the new LX as well as the Tundra and Sequoia. It provides greater rigidity and better on-road handling, especially now that it's combined with a double wishbone front suspension, multi-link rear suspension, and electronic power steering. An adaptive variable suspension is also available. At launch, they're all powered by the 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 that has 349 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, which is less horsepower than this motor does in the Tundra, but it does match it on torque. It runs through the 10-speed automatic, and the GX can also tow 8,000 pounds. It's estimated to do 17 mpg combined. If you'd like better fuel economy, Lexus says that a hybrid powertrain will be available in the US at a later date, but didn't give any info on that powertrain for now. Lastly, all GXs will get the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes dynamic radar cruise control, lane trace assist, and all the other modern safety tech you'd expect. They'll be built in Japan, and Lexus expects them to go on sale in early 2024, but there's no pricing for these yet. So that's the 2024 Lexus GX. Overall, it sounds very promising and should be a massive improvement over the very old current generation. Let me know your thoughts on it though in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my review on the GX in early 2024. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.